Hello everyone. I heard that some of you are having a difficult time making a table and a graph when there wasn't context to it. So think about what this could mean, this equation. Y equals 0.75x plus 2. So in the problems we've done in the past, we did have context. So like maybe this 2 is the number of dollars you pay to get into a fair, and each ride is 75 cents after that. So some of you, that might help if you think of it that way. Others, we can just fill in. When we know that x is 0, we can fill it in there to figure out what our total is. When x is 1, we can plug it in to figure out what our y is. So first it says state which is the independent and dependent variable. So as we learned last week, our independent variable is always the x. Whoa, is always the x. It's that first column is our independent. And our dependent is always the second column, and it's always what we're solving for, which is y. So independent, dependent, and now we can fill out the table. So we want to know what is y going to be if we input 0. So if we have 0.75x, we're going to leave a place for the x, plus 2. And we're going to put a 0 in here because x is 0. 0 times 0.75 is 0, plus 2 is 2. Now we do the same thing. 0.75, leave a place for that x, plus 2. This time our x is 1. So 1 times 0.75 is 0.75, plus 2 is 2.75. So if we had context, it might be we paid $2 to get in and paid 75 cents for one game. So every time we're going up another 75 cents. So we could continue filling in what we know our x to be, like 0.75 times 2 plus 2. Well, 75 cents, if I have two 75 cents, that's $1.50. So 2 plus 150 is 350. So we could continue doing that, or on a calculator, just add 75 cents every time you go up. So this would be $4.25 and $5. And then to graph it, you just plot your points. When x was 0, y was 2. When x was 1, y was 275. So almost to the 3. And you can continue guesstimating where those points are going to be, 425. And you can see that it makes a straight line. Hope that helps.